Hi, my name is Bill, and today I want to show you how to replace your washer's leveling leg spring. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's rusted or damaged, causing the leveling mechanism not to work properly. For this repair, you'll need a pair of needle nose pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer here. It's a KitchenAid, and this is what we're going to use for our repairs. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So now that we've got the washer turned around, this is our washer's self-leveling spring. So what we're going to do is take a pair of needle nose pliers, and we've got one side of the spring that's hooked onto a bracket here, and we're just going to pull this off and remove the spring like that. You can tell this is a really old rusty spring. Get rid of that. And now you can grab your new OEM replacement spring. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So to put this on, all we have to do is hook the one side to this bracket here, and we'll get our needle nose pliers and grab this side here, and we'll stretch it all the way to that bracket. Now we can turn our washer back around and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.